This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. Meticulously well-maintained and updated CBS home located in the heart of Melbourne. Open floor plan featuring new wood tile flooring. Spacious kitchen with newer countertops, stainless steel appliances and plenty of cabinets. Living room boasts new shiplap on the wall opening to dining, kitchen and large family room. Other features are new roof 2017, new hurricane windows and hurricane sliding door 2020, new screened porch 2022, new privacy fence 2022, new glass door and master shower, water heater 2019. Also, the electric panel has been updated and all new outlets and switches. Large master suite with walk-in closet. Bathrooms have been updated. Left side of the house has 30 A&P RV outlet. No HOA and plenty of room for your boat and RV. Peaceful and private backyard. A rated school district. For more information, review the details below.